Well, this is the end of the hay season, and I've got all the square bales in the barn that I'm going to have for the winter. All the round bales that I'm going to have for the winter, they're all rolled up and taken care of. And the only thing that's left to do is I will roll up some corn stalks when the guys that farm our property get the corn out. I'll go in and bush hog the stalks and rake them and roll those up. I'd like to have about 50, maybe 60 big round bales of corn stalks. And it's not great feed, but the cattle will eat what they want, and it's good bedding for them to lay in as well. So that's kind of an update of where I'm at on the hay season, and I'm certainly glad to have that wrapped up. I know that the square baler has been serviced and parked for the winter. My disc mowers have been serviced and parked for the winter. And I will do the big round baler and get it serviced after the corn stalks are baled. So there's your update of hay season at Fescue Farms. Well, as I mentioned, I will bale up corn stalks after this corn comes out, and you can see that it's got a ways to go. It is just now starting to turn brown a little bit, but it's going to be several weeks before. And I can also tell you there's been some deer problems, particularly on these outside edges, and I've just looked inside about 5 rows, and there's a bunch of corn that's just torn down. I don't know whether you can see that in there or not, but the deer have just been playing havoc on some of this corn. So anyway, that's what I'm waiting on next to roll up. Well, it's feeder auction time. My job is to take them out of the chute area into the scales and then off the scales. Well, this is the feeder auction crew that gets to set on their hind ends while the rest of us out here work, but I just wanted you to see these guys. So this is just part of the feeder auction. I'm not going to announce any names because you don't want to know who they are. Craig checking. Well, today's activity after the feeder auction, working it yesterday from 8 o'clock in the morning till about 8:30, 9 o'clock last night, as I'm at the White River Valley Antique Farm Show in Elnor, Indiana, and I will have some of the activities and functions, and this is just one small part of the grounds. Again, this is just a small sample of the hundreds and literally hundreds of tractors they have here at the antique show. I'll go up to the building where they have a feature tractor every year and let you take a look and see what it is. I don't even know what the feature tractor is this year. This is a semi-trailer that is just fully loaded with pedal tractors. of all makes and brands and styles. So just let you see a little bit of what's in this particular trailer. I think probably every brand is represented. I have no idea what the prices would be on some of these items. I'd be afraid to even ask. But pretty interesting little display of different pedal tractors from all different eras.
We hope you all enjoy your day here. You gotta get out and have a good time without skipping school. Take advantage and learn while you're here. It's always.
Well, it appears the feature tractor of the year are the O'Olivers. So they actually put some of them up here in a building, but I'll film just a few of those. Some of them have been completely restored. Some of them, as you can see, they're just pretty much as they were back in the day. So I'll let you take a look at some of these. Actually, this particular tractor here is from my town that I came from. This is a 1960 440 model. I'll let you folks watching the YouTube channel figure out exactly what these machines are doing. In case you're wondering on this one, this is the sorghum press. little video of the barn roof replacement from hail damage, and this is what the crew has actually done this morning. They have taken off all the metal on this side of the barn and got the first round already installed here. I'm sure it's at lunch break, and this is the metal that they stacked on my trailer that I'll use for something at my home farm. But just crews had a tough time of it because all this sheet metal was nailed on, and obviously nowadays they screw it on. So this is the progress they've made. I'll give you a quick glimpse of the inside of it. The barn is probably 70, 80 years old, and things have gone, and it's structurally really sound. So this is what it's like up inside. One side of the barn has already been replaced, and it has been a 2-day project. So this is the side that's already been done. Crew is really good.